Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I'll be talking about the apprenticeship opening at Deutsche Bank for 2026 to 2027. So this is an opening in Bangalore, India, and all BE/BTech students passing out in the 2025 and 2026 batches from computer science, information technology, information science, artificial intelligence, data science, cybersecurity, electronics and communication are eligible to apply, and any allied engineering disciplines from recognized institutions are also allowed. Now, to be able to get into the shortlisted students, you need to have a minimum of 70% aggregate or a 7 CGPA, 7 plus CGPA. A necessary criteria is the student should not have had any work experience prior to this, so there should be no PF account associated with the candidate, and you should not have worked, or you should not be currently working as an apprentice with any other organization, and definitely you should be having all your academic documents including all semester mark sheets, degree completion certificate, provisional degree certificate ready with you. So this is a role in development or a support role in technology. The tenure for this role is 12 months, and you will be given a handsome stipend, and company transport will be available for your in-office days. So this is the opening that has been posted by Deutsche Bank very recently. Now moving on to the hiring process that they generally follow for this role. So their hiring process generally has around 5 to 6 rounds. So starting with their online assessment, they'll be starting with 2 to 3 coding questions on data structures and algorithms. They'll be medium to hard level problems on any online platform, online proctored platform. Make sure you are able to cover as many of the test cases as possible. Second will be a technical round, where it'll be an interview basically, where you'll be asked core computer science concepts, discussion on your projects and which technologies you have used on those projects and why, and coding questions will also be asked. Now, after you get through your first technical round, you will be having a second technical round where you'll be asked programming concepts, computer science concepts again. Again, some data structures and algorithm questions. These times the questions will definitely be from the hard level, right? Now, once you're able to get through the second technical round, you will be sitting for a managerial round. This round also has questions on data structures, algorithms, design questions on low level design, high level design, etc. Apart from that, this round also will be having some HR questions. So very basic HR questions, like common ones: why do you want to work at Deutsche Bank? What kind of a person you are? Also questions like how would you get through any difficult situation in your life? So these are all the interview stages that you'll have to get through to get into this apprenticeship role at Deutsche Bank. So go ahead, apply before the link expires. It won't be open for too long, so I have attached the application window link in the description of my video. Go ahead, apply. And if you guys are liking my content, finding it useful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on companies hiring for internships, job roles, especially for college students, hackathons which are currently open for college students. So go ahead, subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot, and hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.